Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change username on Facebook using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then go to facebook.com. And then once you've done that, make sure that your account is logging into it, okay? And then after that, go ahead and click on your profile at the upper right corner of your screen, and then click settings and privacy, and then click settings. And then after that, you want to, as you can see here on general account settings, you will see the username section. So you just want to click edit and then just type any username that you want, and then your public username is the same as your timeline address. So note, your username should include your authentic name. So then after that, you can see username is available. So just go ahead and click save changes and just wait. Then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.